In this video, how to install the Fortnite on your Windows PC. So first you need to download Epic Game Launcher. For installing Fortnite, you need a Epic Game Launcher. So go to official Epic Games and click download Epic Game Launchers. Click it, and once this page is appear, click install. And right now it's downloading. Yes, once download completed, you need to click Epic Installer. I already installed it, so you need to wait for a few seconds to install. So after installing, you need to log in. If you have an account, you can log in. If you not have an account, you need to create a new account. Yes, this verification is ongoing. After completing, so you can log in your Epic Games launcher. In this, you can see the left side store is there. Click store, and you can see right side so many games are there. You want to click it and click play now. After that, you can see get is there. Yes, and you can see place order is there. Click place order. So Epic Game Launcher is official, so you can download Fortnite by using this. And go to library. In this library, you can see the Fortnite OG and Fortnite are there. So don't confuse. The Fortnite is a full game, all modes, and Fortnite OG is a old version experience inside Fortnite. You only need one download. So click it and install Fortnite. Inside the game, you can access the OG when available. No separate download needed. So you can install the Fortnite, and before installing, you can need to check. If you need auto update, you can click it, and also you need to browse which drive you need to install. Let's go with the C drive, and I'm doing in D drive because I have no C drive. So you can see the installation option, what you need to install. This is your wish. You can install all the things, or you can install separately. I have no space in C drive. I'm going with the D drive. You can go with C drive. Before going to download, you can check the space available or not. Depends on the space, you can choose the drive. Always go with C drive. It's safe and compatible and easy to access. So right now you can see this installing right now. So this is how to install the Fortnite officially. So thanks for watching. If you have any doubt, please comment. I will help to support you. So once again, thank you.